Welcome to Nexus Step by Step training, where we'll guide you through the steps of mastering how to add a new customer. Starting from the overview page, click on New Customer in the main menu on the left-hand side. Click on Title and select from the drop-down or leave blank. Type the first name and last name, if known, and/or the company. The customer code is an internal reference number and can be left blank. The company can only be left blank if there is a contact name. You must have one or both, or else it won't save. Select a job position for this person or leave as unknown. Add the ABN if known, or you can leave this field blank. There is an option now to enter a building name, which can help identify a building if there are multiple buildings at that address. Proceed to enter the address, including the street number and unit number, if any, in the street address field. The suburb field is directly linked to the postcode field. Type 3 letters into the suburb field and the system will drop down options. Simply select the suburb and the program will autofill the postcode. The same can be done in reverse, if leaving the suburb blank and entering a postcode. The state is set by default in admin settings. However, if needed, you can manually change this via the drop-down. You can also override the automated information if the suburb data you enter is not found in the drop-down menu. You will be notified when clicking Save, and if you're certain that the suburb you entered is correct, add it by clicking Save again. Enter at least one telephone number for the customer, and you can nominate the type of number before entering it via the drop-down. The mobile data entered here will be used automatically in the system for SMSs to this customer. Make sure to enter an email address into email 1, as this data will be used automatically in the system for all emails to this customer. The system will alert you if the email is invalid and needs correction before saving. You can customize all drop-down menus in admin settings, such as the type of referrals, your credit terms, the industries, and sub-industries. Utilize the referral field to keep track of where your customers came from. Use the industry and sub-industry fields to categorize customers for reporting and marketing purposes. The customer of field is useful if your company has multiple divisions or branches and the customer needs to be linked to a specific one. The email list and mail list tick boxes are ticked by default, allowing the customer to receive information through the automated services within Nexus. And click on Save. And that's it for this video. Happy learning!